Hey learners, welcome back to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach about dimensions, how to introduce your smart dimension, where to find it, and the dimensioning and selecting a preview. So let's in this tutorial first take any sketch. Okay, then copy, Control C and then Control V here, then here, then here. So how to take a dimension? So what is dimensioning? How to define the dimension? It's the very important. So how to way to represent the dimension? Dimension are another way to define the geometry and capture design intent in a SolidWorks system. The advantage of using the dimension is use the both display the current value and change it. If you want to change this dimension, so how to define the dimension? So go to first here, click on the smart dimension, then first point and then second point, and then this way you will define the dimension 60. Okay, second you will define this linear way here, this way directly, and then third is here smart way, mouse gesture and position, this way. So right click and then up the mouse. This is the way of dimensioning. Then take a 80 mm. Okay, and then fourth is here. This is the way of dimension, first point and then in point and then 80. Let's take a less dimension, 35 is fine. So this way you will defining your dimension. So this is the another way. The smart dimension tool determine the proper type of dimension based on the geometry chosen and the previewing the dimension before the creating it. For take examples, this is a very important. If you pick an arc, the system will create an radial dimension. If you take any a arc here, take you will any arc. This is the arc. So which dimension is on? Radius. Okay, and then second dimension, you can take a second example. If you pick a circle, so you will get a diameter dimension. When you selecting the two parallel lines, you will create a dimension between the lines. Take another examples. If you creating a circle, so if you go for here and then this is the auto method and then define the more. How to change the dimension? This 100. So this way you will define. If you take a parallel line here, then take another line. So you will take define this dimension here, first point, second point, and then third point. Yes, 200. Okay, so this way you will define this dimension. So where to find it? First, sketch. Inside sketch you get the dimension, a smart dimension. Okay, and there's a lot of dimension: smart dimension, horizontal dimension, vertical dimension, ordinate dimension, horizontal ordinate dimension, vertical ordinate dimension, and path length dimension. Okay, and then second, you will easily go for the tool. Okay, tool, and then go for a dimension here, dimension, and then you can easily same option will be open: smart, horizontal, vertical, ordinate, this way. Okay, the second way. And then third way, right click and then go for a smart dimension. Okay, here smart dimension. This is the three way to find out your dimensioning in any sketch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video.